Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. I have a couple items that are new, but I also wanted to share with you my recommendations and some deals that will most likely happen for Black Friday on Amazon. I mean, I know they're already running really great deals, and then as we get closer to Thanksgiving and Black Friday, that's when you start to see some really crazy deals, and then Cyber Monday as well. So I kind of rounded up my recommendations, and these haul items I'm going to share with you are also items that most likely will go on sale as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what I picked up from Amazon and my Black Friday recommendations, then just keep watching. The first item I want to talk about is the Caldrea countertop sprays. For the longest time, they were out of stock on Amazon and other websites. And it was kind of crazy because, and I know a lot of you are like, well, we're in a pandemic, it's a cleaning product, but it doesn't even kill any germs. So that's why I was like, it's kind of weird because I can even still get, Clorox wipes and purchase them, but these countertop sprays are out of stock. So most of them are back in stock. I wanted to relay the message to you because I know a lot of you are hooked on Caldrea countertop sprays just as much as I am. And if you are unfamiliar with Caldrea, basically what sets them apart from other countertop sprays like Mrs. Meyer's or Method is that the smell lingers for hours into the next day and the aroma is just so nice. It makes cleaning fun, at least for me. So the only one that I think it's going to be in stock in a couple days, but by the time this video gets up, it should be in stock, is the Pear Blossom Agave. Rosewater Driftwood is in stock, and Gilded Balsam Birch. I just got this in. This one's nice for, the winter time around the holidays, so I wanted to let you guys know I'm super excited. Now, closer to Black Friday, they might even have like a really great coupon on these, but these are going for about $10.80. And also, I would honestly just snatch them now because again, I don't know if these are going to be unavailable. For the longest time, most of these sprays, or when you typed in Caldrea countertop spray, it just said unavailable. But the dish soap and the linen and room sprays were available, so I just wanted to let you guys know. And this one, the Gilded Balsam Birch, is really nice. Now, I did want to share this too. This is the linen and room spray. This I got last month, but this pair right here is really nice. So I go in and I clean, my kitchen. I don't do hardwoods with this, but I clean my kitchen with this, and then I kind of go around and spray this on the couches and everywhere else. And these two together, it just smells so amazing. So the next two items I have to share with you are health related. So first off is this thermometer right here. The brand is Alera. Now the backstory to this is that I have been using the thermometers that you stick underneath your tongue and you have to wait like forever to get a result. So I wanted to get something that was a little bit quicker. And with everything going on, these honestly are not a bad thing to have, especially while they're in stock, because I know 6-7 months ago, you definitely could not get these thermometers. So this one right here is really nice. I like it because it has different modes. It has an adult mode, a baby mode, and a mode for if you want to take your temperatures in your ear. So I really do like that because some other ones, it's literally just the mode for your head. So we're going to turn this on. I'll show you how it kind of works. You turn it on right there. And then if you want to go through all the modes, you do this button right here. And then we're just going to take my temperature. 98.2, so that's how quick it is. I know that they have, I think it was like a 10% off coupon. They might even run like some kind of other deal closer to Black Friday, but while these are in stock and you could get them with Prime, I would definitely stock up. And I think this one also has a 2-year warranty as well, so I definitely wanted to shout out this thermometer right here. So this next item I wanted to recommend, I think I shared it in maybe like a month ago, one of my Amazon hauls, but I looked and it's on sale right now. They're already running a deal on it, so I'm even wondering like closer to Black Friday if it's going to be cheaper. But I definitely paid a couple dollars more for this bottle of zinc. It's the brand Nature's Bounty. Now they recommend to take 50 milligrams. We are, obviously with everything going on, they recommend to take zinc, but even just for colds or whatever, taking zinc is really good. So me and my husband are currently taking the 50 milligrams every single day. I think I paid closer to like $8 per bottle about a month ago. They're marked down to $5. They're running like some kind of crazy deal right now. So I just wanted to recommend this to you guys as well. Stock up now just in case it's unavailable. If you go back like 7 months ago, I think like around 6-7 months ago, and try to find a zinc, it was nowhere in sight, or it was super expensive and they jacked up the prices. This is super affordable, so I definitely wanted to recommend this to you guys. So the next two items I am super excited to share with you. Now, I just looked and they're running deals on one of them closer to Black Friday. Just look out for those coupons or limited time deals because I know they will have them. But it is this, hold on, let me get the name of it, the Beetles Gel Polish Brighten Your Style Gel Polish Kit. So there are 20 different colors in this set. It includes the base and top coat, and then there's even like a matte top coat as well, but I don't really use that one. And then the next item, there's a plug that goes along with this, but this is the UV lamp that I purchased as well. So I'm just going to go into the little backstory quickly. Many of you know, for the longest time, I have done glue-on nails. I do the Kiss glue-on nails, whether it be the clear ones you glue on and you paint with polish, or the ones that are French that you just glue on and they come that way. So 2 months ago, I'm like, all right, let's switch it up. Let's go to the salon, get tips on, start getting my nails done. And I said to myself, we'll see how long this lasts, because whenever I go and do that, it never lasts long and I go back to the glue-ons. So it lasted about 2 months, I want to say, but I never in my life did gel nails. I fell in love with gel nails, but it is not my favorite thing to do every 2 to 3 weeks, sit there for an hour and get my nails done. I don't enjoy it. I'd rather, and you know, usually when I do my own nails, I'll turn the TV on, do my nails, and it takes a fraction of the time. Not only that, just to get a fill for the gels, I was paying close to 40 bucks. It's a money pit. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try to do this myself. So last night, I did my nails myself, and this is them. I am so impressed with the way they came out. I was a little skeptical. I'm like, you know what? We'll try it out. I may have to return it. I don't know how good they're going to come out. My husband said that these look better than when I was getting them done in the salon. I don't want to get too close up because it's not going to focus, but I am so impressed. They are super shiny. I don't see any stroke marks at all from when I was using the polish. But not only that, this glitter shade right here, it literally looks so perfect to the point where it looks like it's a sticker that I wrapped my nail in. I don't see any stroke marks or anything. It's kind of crazy. I'll get a little bit closer. It's just, again, it'll tend to not focus, but take my word for it. Now in particular, I wanted to talk about my additional Black Friday recommendations. These products, there's going to be deals for on Prime Day. Most of these products I'm going to mention, they marked down, so it's going to be either similar or even better deals. So first off, I always recommend this in these types of videos, is the Echo Dot. I think I have the 3rd generation one, but all the Echoes are really great. But this one in particular, I know right now they have it on sale for $30. So I'm really curious to see what it's going to get marked down to next week. The only thing with that is that I think the deal on Prime Day was so crazy that they kind of were out of stock. And if you go to the Echo, it says it's not in stock until December, which is fine, but at least you're getting that deal and you know it's coming. So right now they're $30, and I love my Echo Dot. I have it hooked up to my phone, so I can just tell Alexa to like play music on Pandora through my phone. It's just really great to have. It gets really loud. The only thing is I never leave mine plugged in. Comment down below, do you leave your smart speakers plugged in or do you unplug them? I don't want it listening to me, you guys. I don't even know why I'm mentioning that. But yeah, they're just a great item to have. Not only that, they make great gifts as well. So I definitely wanted to recommend the Echo. Next, I know they always mark down the Ring doorbells. There's a couple different editions, the Ring doorbells and the Ring cameras. So I have mentioned in many videos, I am obsessed with the Ring doorbell. Typically, they go for, when they're marked down, around $99, depending on which one you go with. But closer to Black Friday, they'll probably, you know, go as low as maybe like $79. I don't even know. Sometimes I make these videos and then I see the deals a couple days later and I'm like, holy crap. I know that happened right after Prime Day for my cell phone, which I'm going to get to. I couldn't believe how cheap they were going for. So definitely be on the lookout. But the rings are really nice because security, you can see everything that is happening in your front door, and you can customize when you want the alerts to go off, how far or how close, because sometimes it's annoying. It'll go off all the time if just a car is driving by, so you can kind of adjust that. But not only that, when you get packages delivered that need a signature or somebody rings your doorbell and you're not home, you can talk to them through the Ring and see what's going on. I absolutely love that. So I just want to show you quickly. It is definitely a dark and gloomy day outside. That is my front yard. But, you know, if I want to talk to anybody, I can if I'm not home. And it's funny because over the summer, I would like prank my husband. He'd be outside doing something in the front yard, and like I would be like, boo, through it. So I don't know, but I definitely wanted to recommend them because they go for like a steal around like Prime Day or Black Friday. And then next I wanted to recommend the indoor Ring camera that I have. And these, it's crazy because I definitely last year paid so much more money for them, but they're going for like around $60 for one of them now. So next week, probably they'll be even cheaper, but they definitely have deals going on right now for them. But we recently went on vacation and we hook up our indoor Ring camera so that we can monitor our cat Koala. We can talk to her. It's just really great to have. I mean, we don't use it year round, only when we go away and travel. We have the camera inside our house, which is really nice. But I mean, you could use the indoor camera to have year round. I really love them. So especially if you have pets, and you want to check up on them and you want to see them and see what's going on in your house, that camera is really great. So they always get marked down. Okay, so my next recommendation is going to be my cell phone, but any cell phone that you have your eye on and you don't necessarily want to go directly through your provider to buy it, or you don't want to pay monthly, check Amazon around this time. I know during Prime Day, it was crazy the discounts that they were giving on phones to buy outright. So just any phone in general that you're interested in. But this phone right here is the S10. I absolutely love it. It has 3 cameras on the back of it, and I've had this phone for a year and a half, and it's just such a great phone. But besides the point, so I remember I made my Prime Day recommendations video, and this was going for, I want to say about $479. They marked this down like 2 days later, right before Prime Day, to like almost $400. So I think this is, I want to say this is like around $479 again. So I would definitely look out because they slash the prices on these phones to buy outright like crazy. So I know that they're most likely going to do it for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or even on Thanksgiving for that matter. I know they're kind of running limited time deals right now because we are getting closer to Black Friday, but cell phones in general, this one's excellent and they run some really great deals on it. So I definitely wanted to recommend the S10 to you guys. And then lastly, this is kind of random, but I wanted to recommend air fryers. I know that there are tons of air fryers right now. They've already got like deals on, coupons. So closer to Black Friday, they're probably going to have some really great deals, whether it be just for the day or whatever. So the air fryer that I recently purchased is the Power XL air fryer. I absolutely love it. Now this one is a pretty big one. It's actually got the shelves in it, and it comes with a booklet with recipes. I made chicken Milanese the other night. Holy crap. And I don't know where I was before an air fryer and why I'm so late to like jump on the air fryer bandwagon, but I definitely wanted to recommend this one to you guys because it's even cheaper right now than it was when I purchased it. But again, with any air fryer, I've noticed that they're running all crazy sales and deals right now. They're really popular items, so they're going to probably have some really phenomenal deals and savings. So I definitely wanted to recommend an air fryer to you guys. It's definitely a healthier way to eat and make delicious food than regular deep frying. So that is it for this mini haul and my recommendations for Black Friday or around the holidays on Amazon. All of these items I mentioned, there's going to be some kind of deal or discount, and then definitely on a lot of like the electronic stuff, they run phenomenal deals. Also, the Caldrea, pick it up because I just don't know if it's going to go completely out of stock again. It was kind of crazy how it did for like 2 months, so I definitely wanted to share that with you. But let me know in the comments down below, what are you guys looking for to purchase around Black Friday on Amazon? What are you looking for deals? I would be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.